AI farming in India. Wow.
If we head to India, 50% of the workforce are employed in agriculture, and a growing population, now 1.4 billion, are dependent on the crops produced. But traditional methods are now making way for new technology that promises to make farms more efficient, productive and profitable thanks to artificial intelligence.
I have a simple question to ask. Do you really know that about 50% of India's workforce are involved in farming? Which simply means that a lot of people are really into agriculture when you go to India. And it basically defines the fact that India has much to offer the world in terms of agricultural produce. One thing that actually motivated me to make this video is a comment that I got from India on one of the videos that I really made. And the video is about John Demelo, a young farmer in Ghana and then also a politician as well. And the video was basically trying to explain how agriculture can really transform a country like Ghana and the African continent as well. Basically trying to make us aware of different produce that we have here in Ghana, not only limiting ourselves to the cocoa, which is our major agricultural export, but then having a closer look at other produce like coconut, cashew, and the rest. We can really diversify agricultural produce in Ghana and then beyond. Not only that, I also made another video with them Kiwelwell Farm, a young mango farmer in Ghana, so many to be precise, a young man that is actually doing well in the domains of agriculture, and he's basically trying to change the narrative that agriculture belongs to the old age. You know, when it comes to Ghana, the average of a farmer in Ghana is around 45, and this creates more demand for more youth into agriculture. And so these are two powerful forces that actually motivated me to make this particular video: how India is integrating artificial intelligence into the agricultural process and how they are increasing produce with AI powered machines. An interview with BBC World News on AI farming in India made me understand how India is trying to change the face of farming, basically trying to get rid of the old method of farming and then to embrace new ways of carrying out agricultural practices. And this is evident by the use of sensor devices on their vineyard to determine when to apply fertilizer to the soil, to determine when to water the crops, to determine when to do a lot of things, either to the land or to the growing crops. This basically helps to increase their productivity, which in turn helps them to generate more revenue when these produce are exchanged on the market. Through mobile apps too, India is trying to make agriculture more relevant. You know, apps that have artificial intelligence integrated into them, or apps that are using powerful algorithms, have also made agriculture that relevant in India. Just their phone or with smart devices, they're able to detect some of these things. AI-powered machines have also been introduced in Indian farming practices to help improve the face of farming. These powered robots are able to scan the land, do spraying on crops, and also to perform other functions as well. There are a lot to talk about, but basically we all know how artificial intelligence is changing the world. Even search engines like Google and Co are trying to include AI into them, even external devices, and India is not left out. And more importantly, they are applying it to one of the key sectors of the economy, that is agriculture. When you go to India, the inclusion of artificial intelligence has led to about 25% boost on crops like grapes, guava, and others. This really shows that the integration of AI is doing them good. Although not all farms in India have AI machines that can help them to improve upon the face of agriculture, India is trying to invest more into AI with respect to farming to make the average farmer in India get access to AI-powered machines that can help them to increase agricultural produce. There you have it. Thank you for watching the video to the end. My name is Shimada Clever. Do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit on the like button. Go the extra mile, share it to more people. Thank you for watching the video, and I'm out.